Problem, Your Honor, is that I am with the local government and the Bureau of Customs and other national agencies at distant stars from us. And I do not want really to just inquire without any significant or substantial authority, because usually it will sometimes be the opposite, that kaming mga mayor and bibigay ng protection, kaya hindi ako nakikalam talaga. But because of the request of Commissioner Henares, nagtatanong-tanong ako. And indeed, maraming smuggling sa Davao. So I met with the intelligence community. Kasi ang lumalabas doon sa investigation is David Tan. So sabi ko doon sa intelligence community, produce to me a face of David Tan. Sabi ko sa kanila, trabaho ninyo yan. I'm dealing with somebody na hindi ko kilala. I need a face. So ang intelligence community ho, nag-produce ng binigay sa akin. Ito yun. Which,
you furnish us a copy of the face?
Gladly.
And siya ba ho yung nakikita nyo ngayon, si Mr. Davidson Bangayan, yung face na yun?
He's the one portrayed in the picture. Not even similar. I think he's the one. I have no doubt about it. Galing ito ng, I am not a part of the military. And so we have observed that protocol, that kung anong ibigay na sa akin, di ko alam kung sino talaga nag-produce. But I'm sure that I met them in the room at sinabi ko that I have to have something to start. Maski query lang dito, questions doon, kasi kinausap nga ako ni Kim Henares. Dumating ito sa akin, ito yung